Friends, in continuation of the series of talks on the public related services, I was talking on the quality standards for the public services, and today I thought I'll share the knowledge on drinking water and the water that is normally used by the public, which is most important thing. See, olden days the water source for the drinking was either the river water or the canals or the bore water, that is the groundwater. So now things have changed, maybe due to the pollution or other various things and the scarcity of the water. Now the processed water has started coming to the houses of the people. So here specifically I would like to tell the people, public, that when you buy the water or when you use the water, what exactly is important in the water, and if it is a processed water, what are the things you need to look for. The government of India has made it mandatory for the all bottled waters. We normally call as a mineral water, but in reality it is called a packaged drinking water. For example, here is the bottle which is having a ISI mark. The purpose of this ISI mark on the bottle that ensures that the quality of the water, purity of the water is good enough for the human consumption. That is the main thing. And what is there in it? It is a processed water. There are two types of waters. One is the natural mineral water, other one is the packaged drinking water. Both are packaged in a bottles or a containers. So natural mineral water, which is otherwise normally a mineral water, it is directly from the sources of nature, like you have the waterfalls, mountains, springs, those kind of a resources. You directly take the processed water and your process is simple, generally the filtration, removal of the dirt and all that, and the taste will have a lot of minerals in it because of the natural source. With respect to the packaged drinking water, the bottled water, which otherwise incorrectly people call as the mineral water, is the packaged drinking water which is taken from various sources of the water, like mainly the bore water, sometimes river water, even the municipal water, whatever the water that you take, it is processed through the reverse osmosis system. Normally people call it the RO system. In this RO system, there are micro level membranes will be there, which will filter all the dirt and other bacteria and other unwanted things. And ultimately it is processed and bottled. This is the processed water or a packaged drinking water. And when we wanted to buy the water, we have to make sure that it is a properly processed, and it is difficult for a common man to do the testing. So ISI mark indicates that it is already tested for its quality and purity. Even in the processed water also, there is there is a option to add certain minerals also. Many branded companies, they also add the minerals. Otherwise also you can directly filter it and you can use it. And mainly with the public who are purchasing the RO machines, also you need to understand what exactly is the RO machine, it will work. There is also a UV light in most of the RO machines which will kill the bacteria, particularly if the water is from the sources other than the groundwater. Normally in the groundwater there will not be any bacteria. Only thing is you need to filter it and remove the dirt and other unwanted material. So like in water, when you consume as a common, you need to know two things. One is, if you buy a particular bottled water, make sure that it is with a ISI mark, which is a standard mark by Government of India's organization Bureau of Indian Standards, which will ensure that quality of the water is good, so that you will not have any problem. Otherwise, the waterborne diseases are such, particularly in a change of the seasons, rainy seasons, there is a lot of problem and it creates a lot of diseases also. So when you wanted to buy a water, make sure that you look for a quality brand, that is ISI mark. And similarly, when you buy RO machines which you install in your house, which is also not bad, which is equally good, but make sure that, because so many brands are coming, so you have to know a little bit more about the RO when you are trying to buy. So there is a specification is there. You can contact or even you can search for the Google also what are the important RO requirements also there. What is the micron filters available and to what extent it will filter the bacteria as well as unwanted. So these are all things you need to take it. Okay friends, I think with this I have given a brief discussion and the importance of the water when you buy or when you take a filtration in your home. You need to take these are the minimum care. Okay. Thank you very much and I'll continue with the series in the next episode, next series also on the same subject I'll be taking and also much more related to the quality, standards and the public service. And please do subscribe if you have not done so that you will get the notifications after pressing the bell icon and the channel will continue to serve you. Thank you very much.